Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with the next topic, which is on BR tools. BR tool is basically used for the administration of Oracle based activities in SAP. Previously it used to be SAP DBA tool, which is replaced by BR tools. SAP DBA tool was there till Oracle 9i, but from there on it is only BR tools. So you should not be using SAP DBA tool anymore. So BR tools, what is this BR tools? BR tool, actually the BR utilities are there starting with BR name. So if you see in the kernel folder, okay, let me tell you what is a kernel folder, kernel exe folder. Okay, here you can see this particular location. Okay, let me scroll to that location one more time. So basically if you see E drive, go to user, SAP, this is SID, and we can go to the sys folder, under that exe, under that uc, and nt this. Okay, this is called the kernel folder. Okay, in this what you can do is you can look for the BR tools. Okay, in BR tools, here you can see these are the tools which is starting with BR space is there, BR tools, BR restore, BR connect, BR recover, BR backup, BR archive. So these are the set of the BR tools. Okay, so let me show you how these tools works and what these tools are. That their key message is that they are the tools which is used for the administration of Oracle based activities in SAP. Okay, so BR backup is for taking a backup. So let's try one by one. Okay, so I'll just give you an overview of these tools. So BR backup. Okay, here you can see that BR backup, using the BR backup you take a backup. Okay, then you see BR space. This is basically for the space management. Okay, here it's like instance number is basically, here you can add the space into the table containers. Okay, so it's basically the instance number is there, you can modify the instance number, you can change the status of the instance. Okay, so say for example I want to continue to add, so I will just continue. Okay, that's it, it is closed. Okay, the next thing is, let's see BR connect. Okay, so this is basically comes with the different options. So all these tools are incorporated in a single tool called BR tools. So under BR tools, whatever we discussed so far with BR, that is BR backup, is this is the one with the BR backup. Okay, so this is the one with BR backup. Okay, then BR space, this is the one with BR space. You can manage the instance management, you can check the space, you can check the database statistic. Okay, so this is one key activity, that is database stats, update of database stats. Okay, so later we'll see this activity how it works. Okay, so let's go one by one into all of them. Okay, BR backup, what we saw is it is for the backup of data files, control files, on log, redo log files. Okay, so let me select, say this is option number 4. It's a character based, so if you have used any of the character based tool, you can just use on the similar line. So number 4 is backup and database copy. Okay, so backup and database copy, once you select that, it shows different things. That is, do you want to perform a database backup, do you want to perform an archive log backup, do you want to do a database copy, do you want to do a non-database backup. So backup of database disk backup, verification of database backup, verification of archive log backup. Okay, so these are the activities which can be performed using the backup utility. Okay, so let's, instead of performing, we can just select say for example, if I want to do a database backup, I'll just select option 1 and continue. Okay, so that is about the database backup using BR tool. So let's go back. So the option is B. Okay, here you can see these are the different options that we need to look for. That is, B is for backup, that is to go back. C is for continuity, that is we want to continue. S is for stop, that is stop, and R is for refreshing the thing. Okay, so in case if you are not sure, we can just press H at any time. Okay, so it will tell you enter your choice. Okay, so in my case I don't want to proceed, so either I say stop. Okay, so it is asking, do you want to cancel BR tools? I say no. Okay, enter your choice. So if I say again S, that means stop. Okay, say yes. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go with the option number 2, which is BR archive, that is backup of offline redo log files. Okay, so BR archive. Then the next thing is the BR connect, which is basically for database check, update of statistics, changing user passwords and so on. Okay, let me take you to the additional activities as well. So in the additional, you can see it is show profile and logs, clean up DBA logs, adapt next, extends, change password of database user. Okay, create or change synonym for database DBA tables. Okay, so that is on the additional options that is available. So number 1 we haven't seen, that is instance management. Okay, in instance management what you can do is you can perform a startup of the database, shut down the database, you can alter the database parameters, recreate the database, show instance status, show database parameters, database owner. Okay, so that is on the instance, that is basically for administering the instance. Let's see the space management part. Okay, in the space management, here it shows extend table space, that is we can extend a table space, create table space, we can create a table space, alter table space, drop table space, move data file. So these are basically the database table space management activities, that is you can add a table space, you can remove a table space, you can extend a table space, you can move the data file. Okay, and I'll show you the additional space functions as well, that is show table spaces. That is the first thing, that is you should see which are the table spaces. Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's continue. Okay, so here you can see this is the list of the table spaces, what is the usage and all that. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, to make it simple, I'll just exit from here. Okay, so I'll just exit from this tool and we'll start BR tools again. So we have seen space management, instance management. Let's see the segment management. Okay, in the segment management, it's reorganizing a table, rebuilding in the indexes, export tables, import tables, alter table, alter indexes, and in the additional functions, here you can see is show tables, show indexes, show database partitions, show segments, show free extend. So all this is there in the additional options. So let me exit from here instead of going back again and again. Okay, so the next thing is on the backup and database copy, we saw that. Then restore options, I'll just click the option number 5. You have to be very careful when you're performing restore and recovery option. Okay, so here it is asking, do you want to perform a complete database recovery? Do you want to perform a point in time recovery, that is table space point in time recovery, whole database reset, restore of the individual backup files, restore of application of archiving logs, DR, reset program status. So these are all related with the restore and recovery stuff. Okay, let me go back. Okay, again back. Okay, now in this, here is check and verification. So this is option number 6. Let me select this option. Here, database system check, validation of database structure, validation of database blocks. Okay, so let's go back. Next thing is on the database statistics, which is very critical activity in managing database. Basically, the performance of your SAP depends drastically or mainly in the database statistics. So you should run these statistics, that is, you can update a table database statistics, you collect missing statistics, delete harmful statistics, manage database statistics, collect dictionary statistics, collect system statistics. So these statistics are very important from the performance of a database. So just make sure that you have your jobs which is running on periodic basis to update the statistics. Okay, then let's go into the additional stuff. We already saw that it has show backup and log, cleanup logs, change password, okay, create synonym. Okay, so that's it. That's what I wanted to cover in this particular session. Thank you. Thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.